Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and in this video I'll be showing you two Koch Chemie products. One is the QF, the quick finish, quick detail spray, and the second one is the HPC hydroplastcare. Chris is on summer vacation and when he's gone I always love to drive his ride. I already washed the car, but then I took it for a spin. It was nice weather, got an ice cream with the girls. So it's a little bit lightly oxidated, a little bit, I would say, dusted. Maybe you can see it on my fingertips as well. It's got some runoff here, some streaks. Instead of giving it a second wash, because I already did that yesterday, I thought, well, hey, let's touch it up with Koch Chemie's QF, quick finish, quick detail spray. So let's twist off the cap. I'll spray in the surface. And I always use long-piled microfiber towels, in this case the dcon happyend towels. I'm gonna fold it 2 times, so I have a 4-fold. And a 4-fold delivers 8 sides on every towel to work with. Put my thumb under one corner, and it's always lifted. And I'll wipe in one direction. I'll glide backwards. And I'll keep gliding in one direction. So I take the dusted oxidation that's on the surface within the fibers of my towel. As you can see, there was not so much on it, but by doing it like this, the fibers are closed, like you can see here. And if I would wipe the other side, I will open the fibers again. Close, open. Now, as long as the fibers are closed, I do it as safely as I can, and with that, don't harm the painted surface. And I'll wipe it after with a second happyend towel. Maybe I had some leftovers that I didn't touch well enough, and by means of this I'll get that slick and crisp finish that we all love. Cool, let's go to the other side. So spray on the QF, put my thumb under the corner in my 4-fold towel, wipe in one direction. You can see a little bit here, this gray beigeish, so we're gonna not reuse this side again. And I'll take my second towel to give it that extra wipe. I also saw some bug splatter, lightly. So spray it on the surface. And in this case I try to soak it in a little bit more, so hopefully the bug splatter will loosen easier with this. And for all the critical viewers, the front and the bumper is completely PPF'd, so I will not harm the paint. Second towel to give it that extra wipe for that streak-free finish. Also the headlights look a little bit contaminated. To be honest, it works surprisingly well. So yeah, functions pretty well. So let's go to the side. Oh whoa, this is dirty. That's quite some oxidation there. What's also very cool about this Koch Chemie quick finish is that you have a little bit of overspray, you just wipe it away effortlessly. So very comfortable to work with. So let's go to the roof. Hydroplastcare, water dilutable plastic care. Let's read the label. Areas reviews, interior, exterior plastic and rubber parts, cockpits, door panels, tires and bumpers. Let's go ahead, make those tires shine. Divide it and spread it out evenly. Kind of small, so they fit perfectly on so-called profile tires, and they've got this plastic gasket, so when you're done it doesn't smear around in your bag or in your bucket or in your tool cart, so pretty easy to have. So yeah, Koch Chemie's QF quick finish. How do I like it? Well, a lot. I think you've seen the results. Runoffs from water, dust from a half-an-hour drive. Actually also we did some mosquito and some insect removal on the front bumper. You spray on the surface, you wipe with your long fiber towel in one direction, so I make sure that the fibers are closed, and then you re-wipe with your second long fibered happyend towel for that crisp, sleek and streak-free finish. Easy peasy, everybody can do it. Then the HPC hydroplastcare, I used it pure. I would say the shine level on the tires are very nice. Vanilla smell is also very nice. Good product. If you think that the shine level is too much on your tires, you can also use another old trick. Use a microfiber towel and just wipe the tires again to take that excess material off. With that also you will prevent potential sling on the lower parts of your car, and you'll give it a more dark and a matte finish instead of a satin and glossy finish. If you're into plastic dressing and trim dressing, then click on the pop-up banner for an engine bay renovation video on the Nissan GTR. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video.